down the gap. Take a bunch. Dude, are you okay?
Damn it.
Dude, what's wrong?
Oh god.
Dude, video.
Hey, is it going right now?
Are you bleeding?
No.
Dude, are you okay, dude?
Oh my god. I gotta go. I gotta go.
Dude, are your nuts okay, dude? John, take off your helmet, John.
Oh my god, dude.
Are you bleeding?
Is the ball of his head?
Oh my god.
John,
I gotta
John,
go. I'm in trouble.
John,
Oh.
John, let me see. John. Oh, dude. Dude.
See you guys.
Oh, dude, keep filming because he might be.
See you guys.
See you, Joy.
See you, Tyler.
Say bye, John. John, do you need to go check your nuts?
Dude, oh my god. His
John.
nuts got caught in the tire. Dude, watch the video. His nuts go like into the tire, into the chain.
They're both there. They're both there.
And those are his final words.
That was kind of funny, John.
Oh, dude. John, that was...
John, give me some skin, dude.
Yeah.
Dude, are you nuts? Dude, what hurts, dude?
My nuts.
Dude, you need to watch that video again and see where his balls went, dude. They went.
Tyler.
No, I'm just saying. It had to hurt, dude. I would be crying right now, too.
John, go over to the trees and just check them out, okay? John. Oh, okay. Ooh. John, go over to the trees and go check them out, okay?
I'm feeling the pain, too.
John, just sit down and you can just check them out right there.
Shit, dude.
John, if you can't walk, dude, just check them out, dude. My dad's right there, so don't make too big of a fuss.
Hey, how do you pause it?